Celtech was formed in 1986 by Bill Fangio. It was purchased by ATEC in 2013. ATEC and Celtech historically were competitors. We're located in Carlsbad, New Mexico. We're over 50 employees now. It's a very dry climate. It's good for manufacturing. We also host what is the U.S. Air Force Boneyard for test equipment because it's a nice dry climate. We store it and then we either take it and refurbish it, repurpose it, send it to a new base as the Air Force needs arise. When an engine is pulled from an aircraft, it has to go through maintenance, and then it goes on our equipment to make sure that the performance is correct before it goes back in the airplane. So here at Celtech, we fabricate everything. We have a full machine shop, we have a full fab shop with welding, we have a blast yard, paint everything to make control cabs, to make thrust frames, to make all the little probes. As you can see, we have a full electric shop to do data acquisition systems, all the cables. It's a one-stop shop. The industry is consolidating. It's unfathomable almost the amount of growth we've had since I've been here. We've always dreamed of being this big, and now we are.